Hey guys, Dimitri here from upvc.com.au, Friday 16 May 2025 in Fitzroy, Victoria now. We've come across a Deceuninck hardware hinge, it's a French door, motor stock, which is 85mm PZ. So we're using this magnificent die grinder from Milwaukee, M18. Cuts like freaking nothing through metal. So we're gonna do the screws next for the handle, which is this one here. It's a bit lower than the original. So there's a finished routing product. Pretty neat with a die grinder, must say. Much faster than if you would be drilling normal drill bits. Okay, so here's the routing. Deadbolt 20mm. Couldn't figure out why I wasn't locking.